guys, what are the 4 ways by which you can reduce the battery drain on your iPhone? I know you all love your iPhones and we want that our iPhone should last at least for the day so that we can enjoy our iPhone. So guys, the number one thing which you have to do first and foremost on your iPhone is that you have to turn that pesky background app refresh off. Yes. So where you will find this background app refresh, what you can do is that you go into the settings of your iPhone. In the settings, you go to the journal tab and click on this journal tab. In the journal tab, when you click, guys, a page like this will open in front of you. Now here you have to find background app refresh and turn it off. Now by turning this background app refresh off, guys, what would happen is that basically this background app refresh, it allows the apps to refresh its content in the background. Now when the app you see it refreshes its content in the background, for example, say if you are using Facebook and for Facebook background app refresh is on, so what will happen is that the posts will keep on refreshing in Facebook and that would drain a lot of battery. So always remember to turn off this background app refresh for all the apps in your iPhone, right? So number one thing, this you have to do. Second, what you have to do is that you have to enable optimized charging in your iPhone. Now where you will find it, go to settings, go to battery health, and there you have to enable this optimized charging. Now what this optimized charging will do is, guys, that when you enable this optimized charging, your iPhone, it learns how you use your iPhone day by day, which apps you open, at what time you use those apps. So it learns all those things due to the artificial intelligence which is built in right there into the iPhone. So it basically learns your usage patterns and accordingly it optimizes all the things which charge your battery of the iPhone. So what it will do is that it would charge and discharge your battery in a very effective way by learning your usage habits, and it would keep your battery health in good shape. So if your battery health is in good shape, right, so the battery would last long. So second thing, guys, remember that you have to enable optimized charging. Now third thing which you have to do is that try to enable dark mode on your iPhone, because when you enable this dark mode on, what happens is naturally that because that black color, you see it consumes very less power, right? And since on your phones you have AMOLED screens, now on your iPhones, if you enable dark mode, it would drastically reduce the load on the battery, and it would you can say that it would help to preserve the battery on your iPhone in a very, very effective manner. So how to turn this dark mode? You have to go to settings, then go to display and brightness, and there you will find this dark mode, and what you have to do is that simply turn this dark mode on and it would save you a lot of battery. And last not the least, guys, what you have to do is the fourth point, that you have to turn low power mode on your iPhone, because what happens is that when you turn this low power mode on, you can say that it basically disables a number of background processes which are going in the background of your iPhone. Now when those background processes are stopped, the battery consumption naturally increases. The battery consumption, it decreases and it increases the battery, you can say, span or the battery life of your iPhone. So guys, these 4 things you have to do. Number 1, turn off background app refresh. Number 2, enable optimized charging. Number 3, turn on the dark mode. And number 4, turn on the low power mode. So I bet, guys, if you do these 4 simple things on your iPhone would last much longer for the day and you would be able to enjoy your iPhone, right? So guys, these were the 4 things which I wanted to tell you. I hope that you will do these 4 things, enable these things, and what else you have to do is that you have to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to Bharat Tech Talks. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.